Alrighty then, you guys, here we go. Let's see how bad it is. Honestly, everybody's saying it's horrible outside. It's so icy, it's so snowy. But that's it, we are officially done work. The winter break is here. I am super happy, super excited. I cannot wait to hit the slopes and do some driving, film some videos, and just honestly relax, enjoy. And yeah, honestly, I need some me time. I need some family time, some friend time. It's been a long year and it's been crazy. Okay, extremely icy outside, but I'm pretty certain the C63 will handle very, very well. Like, if you guys look right there, you see all this? This is all ice. So I'm gonna try to accelerate. Yep, I am able to accelerate. However, stopping is not very fun. It is doable. I am sliding like crazy. So that's not very fun, but I think we should be fine. Like, even like, look at all this, look at all that. This is all ice. Yeah, so from 40, I just applied the brakes fully and it took me that long to stop. So it's extremely hard to stop, that's for sure. Acceleration on the ice, which I am now accelerating on ice, is not the best, but I can actually get going, which is quite surprising. You know, so many people are like, oh, if you're on ice, it's impossible to brake, it's impossible to get going. But if you got winter tires, honestly, you will be able to get going at least. Braking, just keep your distance. Like, don't drive in whiteout conditions and you'll be fine. Like, I am braking right now. That was all ice and I managed to stop. Like, it's okay, it's not the end of the world. But yeah, just be smart, honestly, and you'll be fine. This isn't so bad. But wow, still quite crazy. This is definitely a historic storm. Wow, there is accident, cops and whatnot over there, as you guys can see. Wow, that's kind of crazy. Well, we're gonna avoid that, obviously, by turning right. Come on, car, I believe in you. C63 AMG in the winter storm. There is nothing that can stop this car. Nothing. No ice, no snow, no nothing. You cannot stop this car. Everybody's always been telling me for so many years. It's almost embarrassing. People are like, oh, you drive your car in the winter time? Oh my God. You know, like, how do you drive it? Bro, like this. This is how I drive it. Everybody should stop talking. Like, I've heard so many, oh wow, that guy literally just, that pole is gone. Somebody has taken out that pole. Wow. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, so many people have told me, oh, this car is not drivable in the winter time. Oh, it's impossible to get going. You can't drive it. You can't stop. You can't accelerate. You can't turn, like nothing. Bro, this car, it can do it. I've known this for so many years, for like 5 years now. I've been driving it, and yeah, it's you got to be careful. Like, you got to watch out. Like, you got to watch out when you're accelerating and braking. Like, honestly, like this truck in front of me, I'm gonna brake way earlier than advance. Like, you know, I'm not gonna come up behind him at this distance at 40 kilometers an hour. Like, I'm gonna come up against him, you know, at 10 kilometers an hour. Like, it's just common sense. Honestly, anybody who says you cannot drive, you know, a rear-wheel drive sports car or supercar even in the snow, yes you can, bro. Honestly, don't even give me that. Like, it goes back to that mentality of like, people want the worst for you because they're like, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that, or what if this happens to you, what if that happens to you, or even going as far as saying like, oh, I hope this happens to you. Like, bro, this is good. Look, all those cars are in that lane and they have no snow, and meanwhile, here's me, I'm in the snowy lane and I'm going at the same speed as them, if not almost catching up to them, without any loss in traction. Like, yeah, obviously I'm not going to test my luck and go like super crazy, but I'm doing good. So I don't know what y'all people are like saying. I will never ever forget all these people that say like, oh, this car is not drivable, you can't drive it. Bro, yes you can. Honestly, yes you can. This car is 100% drivable in the winter time. You got winter tires and everything. Absolutely, yes, you can. There is zero issues. The car performs amazing. Like, yeah, obviously, like I said, you gotta watch out, you gotta be careful. Like here, I'm gonna come to a complete stop there. I am not moving at all. The light is red. And watch, I will be able to get moving and going just as fast, if not faster than the other cars. I will have no problems whatsoever. Like, there's a Jeep and a Toyota right beside me on my left side. I will be able to get going. Like, it's gonna take me a little while, but I will get going. Trust me. See, they're all going, blah blah blah. See, like, they're allegedly gone or whatever. But see, there, I got traction and I'm going. That's it. And that was uphill. Uphill for a super, well, I'm not a supercar, but I have supercar level power. For a sports car, boom. Yes, they were all able to get off from the line faster than me, obviously, because they're all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive, whatever. But I can get going and go and have no issues. So please, honestly, this car, I trust it. I know what this car is capable of. Obviously, if I had like even better winter tires, if I had like studded winter tires in the rear, this car would literally be unstoppable. Obviously, it's officially illegal in Ontario to have studded tires, you know, on your car. So yeah, you're not allowed to have them, blah blah blah, whatever. Like, if you get pulled over, you can get a ticket, you can get in trouble, technically even get your car towed. But I am doing it. I'm not having any issue. No major issue, obviously. Like, it's not like I'm gonna fly into a snowbank and get stuck. Like, honestly, if you do that, you're driving way too fast for conditions. So I'm just shocked about how many times I got asked that question. Probably at least 100 to 200 times this year minimum, of people saying, oh, you drive your car in the winter time, question mark, question mark, question mark. Hell yes, I do. Yes, I do. And like, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, yeah, okay, salt, this, that, but like, wash your car. It's very simple. Like, it's not the end of the world if you drive your car in the wintertime and it gets a little bit of salt, a little bit of snow. Oh, boo-hoo. You know, like all these people, they're garage queens and everything. Like, yeah, I appreciate that, and I love cars that are very well maintained. You know, everybody knows that I maintain my car very well. But like, I don't know. It just hits me so strangely with that question. Oh, you drive your car in the wintertime? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Like, yes, I do. Here I am. Watch, look at this pickup truck, this Ram. He's gonna be ahead of me to start, of course. Possibly even outpace me a little bit. But I guarantee you, once I get going, I will be able to not only catch up to him, but I will actually be able to outpass him. And guess what? He accelerated on dry pavement, and I accelerated in the snow. And look how far away he is, and I'm about to catch up to him. Like, bro, absolutely doable. There, I'm literally catching up to him right now. That was me accelerating in the snow and on the ice, and that guy, as you saw, was driving on dry pavement, and he was able to accelerate. And I'm still able to keep up to him. Obviously, like, initially, yeah, of course, you can easily get going, but boom, there. I'm not stuck. I'm almost at him. Bro, that's funny. I absolutely knew it. 100%. Ain't nobody that can tell me that you cannot drive this car and any rear-wheel drive supercar / sports car in the snow. It is absolutely doable. Get the right winter tires, drive carefully, know your environment, know what kind of surface you're on, and just go. Like, watch this. Now we're keeping pace. See? Now we're both on normal pavement. And excuse me, where's that truck? He's not there. He's not in the left lane. He is behind me right now. So yo, get on my level. This is the level of C63 AMG with winter tires. That's how it's done. That is how it's done, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, winter driving in the winter snowstorm, winter storm, blizzard even. Classified as a blizzard. Yes, it is doable. Watch this, Mazda. Bye. Obviously, we're on a dry pavement, but still, no problems. No problem whatsoever. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching that quick little video of me driving in the snow. It was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. Wow. I'm gonna do a little bit more of that, but first we gotta go get some food. We're hungry. It's been a long day. We're done. We gotta get to making a ton of videos for you guys. I promise that they're gonna get a little bit more fun and exciting because now we got more time. We have like 9 or 10 days or whatever to film so many videos, and I promise you we're gonna put 100% effort into them, and they are gonna come out good, and we're gonna finish strong. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thank you all so much for watching.